Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut out the middle of a clip inside of CapCut. So let's say I'm going to edit a dialogue or a conversation or maybe a podcast in CapCut. This is a technique that I would be using a lot because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting out the dead air in between the conversation. That way I get to maximize my viewers' attention and retain their attention with my video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the playhead to where I want the cut to be made right after I drag the clip into the timeline. So let's say this is where I want the first cut to be made. I'm going to press Ctrl B on my keyboard. This is the shortcut for the split tool right here. You can also just click this button if you aren't familiar with the keyboard shortcut, but I highly recommend using the keyboard shortcut because it saves you a lot of time. So once that's done, you can see the clip has been cut, and then I'm going to scan forward with the playhead, just left clicking and dragging it around. And let's say this is where I want the second cut to be made. So I'm going to press Ctrl B, and now I can delete this video in the middle by just clicking it and pressing delete on my keyboard. So you can keep doing this with other videos, and getting used to the keyboard shortcut will make editing a lot faster, as you can see, because I'm able to just scan forward and delete these sections that I do not want to include. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.